Welcome to Campus. One of my students struggled with this question here. Draw a diagram to show how sodium and chlorine atoms join together to form ions. Well, their response was sodium shares outer shell electron with chlorine. What do you think about the student's answer? Pause and think about that diagram. What do you think about the student's answer? Right. What you got to ask yourself is, what type of bonding is this when atoms share electrons? Obviously, the student's answer was incorrect. It was incorrect because it is only in covalent bonding. It is only in covalent bonding where atoms share electrons, and the atoms have got to be both non-metals like hydrogen and hydrogen. They can do covalent bonding if they're non-metal. You can't have a metal sharing electron with a non-metal like that. What type of bonding do we need then in a metal and a non-metal? The question is a bit easy because this one is ionic bonding. Ionic bonding. So what we got to do is we got to think about the atomic number for sodium. Sodium, what's the atomic number for sodium? Sodium is atomic number 11. Chlorine is number 17, atomic number 17. So what is the electron configuration for sodium? Pause the video and think again. Right, well done. Sodium is equal to 281 and chlorine is equal to 287. So what is sodium trying to do to achieve the stable octet arrangement? Sodium is trying to lose that electron. And what is chlorine trying to do? Can it lose 7? The answer is no. So chlorine is looking to gain 1. So sodium transfers 1 electron to chlorine. Sodium transfers 1 electron to chlorine. This is exactly what happens there. You can see sodium has got 1 electron in the outer shell and chlorine has got 7 electrons in the outer shell. So sodium loses that outer shell electron to chlorine. You can see it's now there. And when you lose electrons, you become positively charged, a positively charged ion. And when chlorine gains that electron, it becomes negatively charged. So this is it. This should be the answer to the question. Sodium transfers that electron to chlorine. Transfer of electrons, losing electrons is oxidation, and chlorine receives that electron. You should be able to draw these diagrams to show the ionic charges. And when they have done that, when they have transferred and received electrons, there are forces of attraction between these oppositely charged ions. We've spoken about those electrostatic forces of attraction that bring the ions together and they form a giant ionic lattice. I hope that helps.